Data visualizations are the new normal in banking industry, but our aim is not to make beautiful presentations. It is time to shift our focus from visualizations to visual analytics. Visual analytics means more than just graphical representation of data. It means bringing data together from multiple sources to see the big picture and also identify patterns and to find actionable insights. It also means that a streamlined process from data preparation to finding actionable insights. In banking industry, usually budget, cost and sales data sits in multiple systems which cannot talk to each other because the way the data is structured. And there will be multiple teams working on this data to prepare reports for monthly, quarterly and yearly meetings where they try to take data-driven decisions. There is a lot of manpower involved in it and a lot of time spent on it. What more? For the next report, again you have to start the entire process. But with the latest tools and technologies available in visual analytics space, we can bring this data together in no time and find actionable insights. And what more? The entire process can be streamlined so that with a click of a button, you can get the next analytics report without any effort involved. But where do we start? The answer is visual analytics strategy. Combining powerful yet simple technologies with advanced techniques, you can start with a small team and grow to the entire organization at our own speed. The latest tools such as Tableau and Power BI, to name a few, are taking visual analytics to the next level. These tools can transform your organizations and make a huge impact on how you make data-driven decisions.